First and foremost is the people. We try and hire people who are like-minded up here, hard workers, honest. That's all important to us, and those are the types of individuals we try to acquire. It isn't a separation of engineers and office personnel and shop guys in blue. It's a teamwork kind of a scenario. We bring in our welders, we bring in our laser operator, we bring in our painters. All of these individuals who work on the shop floor have a say in cab design. They love the fact that they're involved in that process, that we go to the painter and we say, hey, take a look at this drawing. This is the paint we're going to use. How long do you think this is going to take for the prototype? And he gets to give his opinion. And I think that's a buy-in that you don't always get in companies.
We do our own in-house training a lot. I actually have taught welding for 25 years, so we do an in-house welder training here. We'll take somebody totally new if they're interested and start them out. Everybody goes through a day of training just to bring them up to speed on what our expectations are. If they come in as an assembler and really want to, at some point, become a welder or a painter or run laser or whatever the case is, whatever process it might be, that we are willing to train in-house. If you show a desire, a willingness to do that, and are willing to put the effort in to learn it, we're more than willing to train anybody to do anything in our shop.
The number one thing, we have an air-conditioned weld shop. That is not a common thing. We all can walk the walk, talk the talk. You know, we're not telling you how to do something and we can't do it. You know, we lead by example. We have purchased almost all brand new welders, and every year they're always letting us upgrade something out there.
It's a family atmosphere here. We have lots of people who feel that way.